Are you ready to learn everyday English? Lesson 36. Let's go.
나는 해야 해요.
I have to. I have to.
샤워하는 것은
To take a shower. To take a shower.
나는 샤워해야 해요.
I have to take a shower. I have to take a shower.
씻는 것은
To wash. To wash.
손을 씻는 것은
To wash my hands. To wash my hands.
나는 손을 씻어야 해요.
I have to wash my hands. I have to wash my hands.
입는 것은 혹은 쓰는 것은
To wear. To wear.
마스크를 쓰는 것은
To wear a mask. To wear a mask.
나는 마스크를 써야 해요.
I have to wear a mask. I have to wear a mask.
재킷,
A jacket. A jacket.
재킷을 입는 것은
To wear a jacket. To wear a jacket.
나는 재킷을 입어야 해요.
I have to wear a jacket. I have to wear a jacket.
추운,
Cold. Cold.
추워요.
It is cold. It is cold.
추워서 나는 재킷을 입어야 해요.
It is cold. I have to wear a jacket. It is cold. I have to wear a jacket.
가는 것은
To go. To go.
나는 지금 가야 해요.
I have to go now. I have to go now.
늦은,
Late. Late.
난 늦었어요.
I am late. I am late.
나는 늦어서 지금 가야 해요.
I am late. I have to go now. I am late. I have to go now.
끝내는 것은
To finish. To finish.
프로젝트,
A project. A project.
프로젝트를 끝내는 것은
To finish a project. To finish a project.
나는 프로젝트를 끝내야 해요.
I have to finish a project. I have to finish a project.
청소하는 것은
To clean. To clean.
내 방,
My room. My room.
나는 내 방을 청소해야 해요.
I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.